Planning to install new curtains but not sure which operating system to go for? Today we are breaking down the three most common options, that is manual curtains, code operated and the motorized options. We look at exactly how they work, the pros and cons of each, and how to figure out which one actually makes sense for your space. Let's start with the classic, the manual curtains. As the name suggests, you do the work yourself. You just grab the curtains, flick stick and slide them open or closed. It's definitely the most budget friendly option, and yes, it does give you a morning stretch. First off, they are incredibly cost effective. They are simple, reliable and they don't need any electricity, and there's a basically zero maintenance involved. This downside, if you have massive windows, for example it is like 4 or 5 meters, or heavy fabrics, pulling them back and forth every single day can hold pretty fast. You physically have to walk up to the window every time. So the manual curtains are perfect for standard side normal windows in bedrooms, living rooms or offices where you want a simple no fuss solution. The second option, we have the code operated curtains. Instead of pulling the fabric directly with the hand, you just pull a side cord to glide the curtains open and close. This gives you a much smoother glide, especially on wider windows. Plus, because you aren't tugging on the fabric with your hands, your curtain pleats stay neat, clean and perfectly uniform. Now, we often hear from customers who say, I used code curtains before and they got stuck or heavy after just a few months. The secret isn't the problem with the code curtains. It's almost always a cheap track or low quality runners. That's why here at StyFect, we only use imported high grade tracks and accessories. When the hardware is built right, the movement stayed incredibly smooth for years. At the end of the day, it's still a manual process. You have to stand there and pull the cord, and you don't get any of those cool smart features. The code operated is best for fantastic middle ground or medium to large windows where you want smooth, effortless movement without jumping all the way to automation or motorized curtains. The third and the ultimate convenient option for the curtains, the motorized curtains. With these, you don't need to lift a finger, well, maybe just one finger. You can open them with a sleek remote control, or you can use the touch motion feature. You just give the fabric a tiny little tug and the motor instantly takes over and does the rest for you. And of course, you can connect them to a Wi-Fi gateway so you can control them right from your smart home or link them to your existing smart home system. It's a pure convenience. It's absolutely perfect for massive windows, heavy drapes or double height ceilings. It just gives your entire home a premium modern resort feel. At StyFect, we have motor options to fit different budgets and setups. We offer reliable entry-level motors, which is with 2 years warranty, mid-range 5-year warranty options, and premium whisper quiet motors that comes with up to 10 years of warranty. Naturally, the initial investment is higher than the manual tracks, and you will need to ensure you have a proper power supply nearby. The motorized curtains is best for and a go-to choice for modern villas, high ceilings, large windows, smart homes or anyone who just want maximum comfort. So now it's up to you to decide. If you want something simple, reliable and pocket friendly, manual curtains is the great option. And if you want something smoother gliding on a wider window without going full tech, code operated is the solid bet. But if you want pure comfort, smart controls and that luxury feel, motorized curtains is the clear winner. Every home is unique and the right choice really comes down to your window size, your budget and your day-to-day lifestyle. If you are still not sure which system is right for your space, don't just guess. Reach out to us at StyFect today. We'll look at your layout and help you find the absolute perfect match for your villa or apartments. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.